Hey, I hope you are well and doing good. And in this video, we'll solve a given problem, partition of zeros and ones, and the time complexity will be order of n. Although we have solved using a brute force approach in another video, and I will provide it in that video link in the description box. And in this video, we'll solve the using another method, right? Simply, what can we do in this approach? We will set a pointer. We will set a here variable here start, and second will be here end, at the end of the array. If a array of start is equal to 0, then what can we do? We will increase start, right? If array of int will be 1, then we can decrease int. If there is one condition, if array of 0, array of start will be 0, then we will increase it. And array of int is 1, then we can decrease this. If the third condition, what it will be? If array of start is 1 and end of start and array of end is 0, then what can we do? We can swap array of start and array of end will be swapped, right? This is the easy approach. And in this block, in main function, array has been initialized, declare here, and size has been calculated, array size, and this is the calling function. It has been called to another function which has been written on this calculation part, right? Then we will write the code here. Partition and array has been passed, then int array, and also size has been passed here, then int size, and we will set two variable, then initialize it a of start 0 and a of end will be size minus 1, right? And while we'll use a loop, while loop, then what the termination condition will be here? If we will increase a start pointer and decrease this end, then there will be a condition where start will be crossed to end and end will be cross start. That will be termination condition, because both will be meet on the, there will be point on the middle at some time, maybe. Yeah, in this case it will be meet at the middle, but at the another problem it will be not meet at the end, it will be meet some things like after 6 index, yeah, other index. Then when a of start will be crossed to a of end, then that will be termination condition. Means start is less than to end, then will enter in the while loop. Now while a or array of start, array of start, array of start is equal to 0, then a start will be increase, start plus plus, and while array of end is equal to 1, then end will be minus minus, right? And if array of start is means array of start is greater than to array of end, then what will do? Will swap this value, right? Then using a third variable, a temp variable, we will copy the start array and will copy into the temp variable, and this is the empty. Now will copy in the end. Now array or end, it will be copied temp variable. This has been copied. If start has been copied, then using a third variable we can swap this, right? And now print using a for loop. Int I0 and I where at the size, because we have to print all these element, then size and I plus plus. And now using a printf function, print array of I and close this braces. Now this is the full code to partition of 0 and 1s, and in the another video we will solve this problem in the time complexity order of 1, right? For this video, that is right. Now thank you.